Hi guys, welcome to Crowd Investing. Today is the last day of 2021, so I hope that all of you will be alright and enjoy the New Year Eve. So today I'm going to review my portfolio for this whole year 2021. How is my portfolio doing? And then share with you some of the stock that I'm looking for to buy in 2022. And then how is the market review for 2022. So first of all, I will look at my TD Ameritrade account first. So I have this small account for testing one of the strategies only. So this account is the total equity now is 6,722 dollar, and then the overall profit and loss is about $3,000. So I will say this portfolio grew about maybe 45% to nearly 50%. So I'm very satisfied with this account performance because I have earned quite a lot with these small account strategies. And then no bad for this account, but this account is purely for options trading. You can see that I actually holding options like call options, put options, those things. Yeah. So this is a options account. I earn about 45%. Let's look at my other account. Okay, now this is also the small account for testing just for the put spread strategies, one of the options one. So for this account, right, I earn about $266 year to date, but I barely enter the position for this account. Like only every month I only enter one position only. So it's about 12 positions in this account only, so I can earn this amount. So the current equity is about 1,008. So if you divide that by the amount, let's see. Okay, so let's say it's around 1831 minus 266. So my original amount is 1565. Okay, so you take 266 divided by 1565 times 100. So this account gain about 17%, I would say. Yeah, if you round up. So it's not a bad strategies for just a one small testing account. So I earn about 17% year to date for this account. I'm very satisfied with this one. As long as it's not a negative, then let's share with you the negative one. Okay, this is one of my main account. This account I have about lost in this year 2021. I lost about 8,000 year to date. Mainly is because I hold a lot of the China company like Alibaba. You see Alibaba, I lost about 6,000 plus. JD.com around 1,000. Then the GSC, uh, yeah, those that are big losses are mostly are from China market. So that's why I lost. But I am not very worried about this account because Alibaba, JD are both are the very good company in China. Just a matter of the time that they will be recovered. So at this moment they're already down about 50%, more than 50% from the all-time high. So I think that they will recover soon, but I don't know when. So I just continue to hold it. So I'm not worried about this account that even it down about 8,000. I just continue to hold. So let's look at my other portfolio in other broker. Okay, so this is the internet broker. So I have this account. So the year to date, right? Compared to S&P 500, my account is only up about 16.56. S&P out was 27%. So it's actually underperformed all the S&P. So you can look at in the beginning of the year, right? The account is like going together with S&P, and then in around June, I even outperformed S&P. But after the June, right, then I start to in August I start to add in the China like Alibaba in this portfolio also because I feel that it's very cheap. And then those Tencent, Alibaba and JD, so I starting to add the China portfolio, then I start to be underperform. Yeah, so of the S&P 500. So I not very worried as just I mentioned because the Alibaba, JD, Tencent all are the very good companies. So I just going to continue to hold it because they will eventually they will outperform. They will go back to their intrinsic value. So after that they will be very profitable. So I'm not very worried about this part. Okay, so this is my portfolio sharing. So this portfolio is not a negative. is also positive. So actually I only have one portfolio is a negative one, which is this account. It's minus 8,000 plus, mainly are from the Alibaba 6,003 already. So no worries, just continue to hold it. Then I know if some of you have holding the China portfolio, then in this year you will see, wow, yeah, my portfolio is very red, but US portfolio is very good. Yeah, I understand about you because I also have the US portfolio and the China portfolio at the same time. But US portfolio is doing not bad, and the China portfolio is very such, I know, because of a lot of the issue there. So just continue to hold it because those are the good companies. Okay, let's look at the uh, okay, let's look at the market overall for this year. So let's look at the monthly. S&P is very bullish. It's very far away from the 50 MA, I would say. It's I don't- very bullish in this 2021. We gain about 29%, I would say. Yeah. So it's a very bullish. You can see that from the historical, it never be so far away from the 50 MA before. This is a very, very far away. For the Dow Jones is also about the same. It's very very bullish now. It's very overvalued, I would say. It's very far from the MA. Nasdaq is not so far yet. QQQ is also about the same. The Nasdaq, you see, it's too far away from the 50 MA in the monthly. It's too high already, I would say. Then this one is the Shanghai Composite Index. Is also like very nearby the MA. I would say it's struggling around here. This is the Hong Kong. Is also very good nearby the MA, not very far. Yeah, this is the Hong Kong also. It's nearly to 200 MA. Is very very undervalued. Singapore market is always struggling around, so not very interested in this one. So let's look at some of the uh, China ETF. Okay. So for this China ETF, you can see that from the all-time high, right, it's down about how many percent so far? 33% 0.68. So from the all-time high 2020, only 2021 is down about 36%, 33%. So it's a very undervalued right now. So it's a very good chance to add. But I already add a lot during all the way down, so I will not going to add anymore. I will be more balanced to my portfolio to adding some of the US stock if the US stock is going to be undervalued. But at this moment, US stock is quite overvalued based on the S&P 500. You can see the three indexes are very very far from the MA. Yep. So I will just wait for it to be pulled back. So let's look at a bit of the historical data. Let's look at one there. Okay, let's look at this Excel file. This is the last 52 years, I would say, from 1960 until 2021. So really one thing that very interesting I found out in this one is because you see from here is very bullish, then followed by a bearish year, negative. Then after that we have 3 years very positive, double digit, then followed by one negative. Double digit followed by one negative. Then this is average, normal. Then double digit followed by two negative year. Two very bullish year followed by one negative year. Then this one 18, 32 double digit followed by one negative. Double digit followed by average. Double digit followed by average. Double digit negative. Double digit. Okay, this one is normal. Double digit then followed by average. Then all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double digit followed by three negative. So two double digit followed by average. Double digit then after that down a lot. Double digit then normal. Three double digit, one normal, two double digit, one negative. So right now from 2019 until 2021, we already have three double digit already. So for the 2022, right, I will expect the market is a bit maybe slightly down or be the average like maybe between 1 to 5%. So because of the market is already very bullish by looking at all the indexes. So I would say that 2022 might be a year to be very flat or slightly pullback. But I will take these opportunities if there is a lot of the stock that are undervalued. I hope there is a pullback for me to add more of the stock in the US market because at this moment I am very bullish. My portfolio is a lot in China, so I had to balance back by the risk control. So I had to add more of the US portfolio to balance back to my overall portfolio. So this is the overall sharing for my portfolio in 2021. Overall, I'm satisfied with this because I have quite a positive years that in the net I'm the positive, and then I look forward to have more stock, more US stock. Because I want the US stock market to be pulled back to add more of the value. So I'm going to share with you some of the stock that I'm personally looking for to add in the next few months. So the first stock I'm looking at is Adobe. Yes, Adobe. So Adobe at this moment, right, is already down quite a lot from the all-time high, and then the intrinsic value is about 592, so it's already undervalued. Last week I already bought some of the Adobe here, so I expected the Adobe will be going back to the all-time high. So Adobe is actually a quite good position to add here. It's a very few that already dropped down quite a lot compared to others like Amazon and Google or Microsoft. The second one I would like to add one is the CRM. Okay, CRM is a very good because I noticed in the weekly chart, right? Okay, let me. In the weekly chart, previously was support by the 50 MA support three times support before, and then before they also quite support by the 50 MA, and then this one also 50 MA. Then most important is this is the pin bar in the weekly, and then also stay around the 50 MA. Then I look at the Fibonacci, right? Yesterday I use a Fibonacci. At this moment, the bin bar appear is also 61.8, so it's a very good point to add for the long term. Personally, I already bought some for the long term. So these are the two stocks that I'm looking for, Adobe and DRM. So I hope that you can enjoy this video, and then if you like, please uh, share this video with your friends. Let them to know that what is the good stock to buy for 2021. So keep up and look for 2022 to have a good year. Thank you very much. Happy New Year.